Hi girls, it's Miss Wee again. We're going to draw.
Among Us characters with hats. Well, with a hat.
Yeah, so get ready, paper, pencil, and the eraser, some colors, pen. Okay, we draw a
We're going to draw the first part, which is the part where it looks and sees.
the lens, right?
Yeah, and then the body, and then the legs. Gonna redraw the backpack.
It.
Then we're going to draw the hat. So we're gonna do a party hat because it's New Year's soon.
Right.
Here. And we gotta
Color.
color it. We're gonna make ours blue. And then we're going to color the lens, and we're going to make the shines. Well, light that's on the lens when it reflects. Now we're going to color in the party hat. You don't have to color it the same color as we do. And we're finished. How to draw Among Us character. See you next time. Bye.